It is intriguing to watch Evelyn function so effortlessly without hearing. So here author is explaining that it is intriguing means fascinating and curious. When you watch Evelyn work or perform so effortlessly, although she can't hear, means I also got fascinated when I saw her video where she was playing for in Olympic 2012 as an inauguration music in that event, and I was also felt that how can she play that when she can't hear. I really felt the same way the author is feeling while explaining this thing. I was curious to know about. I wanted to meet her and ask her why and how she's doing that, because she can identify the slightest and the minutest sound made by the musical instrument, and it is quite amazing thing for a person. Now, further author is saying in our 2 hour discussion, she never missed a word. Now, when the writer Deborah Coyle was taking her interview, which lasted for 2 hours, Deborah says that Evelyn never missed a single word that she spoke. Means while they were into conversation and it lasted for 2 hours, what was so interesting thing happened at that time. She never missed a word, a single word. When it is generally observed that when you are talking to a person, and if you're talking for so long time, there are chances that they miss something to listen clearly from you, and they would ask you to repeat. I sorry, I didn't catch, could you please repeat? But she didn't do that. So she is marvelous in doing her job of lip reading and all that. She, when men with bushy beards give me a trouble, she laughed. It is not just watching the lips, it is the whole face, especially the eyes. So further, while they were in conversation, she mentioned that those men who have long, huge, bushy beards give her trouble. Means when they are speaking, she can see their lip movement as their lips are covered with bushy beards. So it is making her difficult. So I also read in another interview uh, in which a man asked her that how did she manage to understand lip. She, before that we explained that she could speak Japanese, French and Scottish language, but how did she learn speaking? That is a different issue. But to understand what others are speaking, which you do only by help of ears, how did she manage to do that? So in that interview, she answered like this way: she had been able to perceive high sounds when she first got to know that she can't hear. So when she started learning to understand the music through her body parts, so she said that she had been able to perceive high sound more easily, but mid-range and low sound had become a cacophony for her, was difficult for her. So she, what she used to do is she would watch TV programs dedicated to lip reading to understand, and she used to do it with her mom. And after the program, they would look in a mirror to practice the lip shapes, that words from when we speak. So this way they understood, they both understood the lip reading movements. Her mom helped her to get through with this challenge of understanding people through lip movements. And in this interview, she's explaining that it's not just watching the lips, it's the whole face, especially the eyes. So here she is saying that it's just not only the she could read the lip movement of the person face to make out what other person is speaking when she got good at lip reading. So she was trying to understand the other facial expression which would help her to understand what other person intended to say her. So it was a just laughing situation where she had mentioned that bushy beard men creating a trouble for her. It's not that like. Evelyn identified to know what other person is saying, because it is easy to make out from other expression like how eyes are moving. Is the person squinting her eyes to make her understand what they mean, or they are growing their eyes too big to and make her understand that grown they're mad at her. These kind of situation helped her to understand what other persons are saying. She speaks flawlessly with a Scottish lilt. Means flawlessly means without a fault or mistake. Lilt means a way of speaking, like we say accent. So the writer says that Evelyn's speech is flawless and she has had a Scottish accent because she belongs to Scotland and her voice that has accent. So if I speak English from Haryana, somewhere I would also make mistakes. I would give an Haryanvi touch to my English as well or my Hindi as well. So my speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11, she says. So, do you know how a child learns to talk by just listening to people and talking around him? And they acquire the language by the age of 5. So, Evelyn says that she can speak clearly because she had learned the language. She started till the age of 11, till the time she could hear that. So, she can speak flawlessly, English in a Scottish lilt, in a Scottish accent. But that doesn't explain how she managed to learn French and masters basic Japanese. But after becoming deaf, Evelyn also learned two new languages. She has learned French and basic Japanese. So one wonders that how could she learn? She was deaf. She didn't know that accent. She didn't know how to perceive that language through without ears. But despite that challenge of deafness, she understood two languages. And even if it is, for our children difficult to understand English being from a Hindi background, they can hear people speaking English, they can pick up the accent, they can pick up the clues also. But she was carrying a disability, she was deaf, and she learnt two other languages even if she was deaf. So that was also very curious and fascinating thing about her.